Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratyusha from Pratyusha. Today's video is a result of various experiments that I've done. In this video, I'm going to share how I made this beautiful planter using cement and some terrazzo chips. So I take a bowl and add in 4-5 scoops of white cement and then mix in some water and make it into a slurry. I then add a mixture of various colors of terrazzo chips. I mix it well without any air bubbles. So I'm going to use two containers here, one with a larger diameter and the other one with a smaller diameter. I put the mixture that I just made into the larger diameter one. I then take the smaller container and press it onto the mixture that I've just put. Tap the entire assembly so that everything is leveled up and then let it dry. Once it dried up, I removed smaller container and then teased the entire assembly out of the bigger container. To reveal all the colorful terrazzo chips that I added in the beginning, I'm going to use a wet sandpaper and sand the entire sides and the top of the planter. Once I'm happy with all the terrazzo chips that are revealed, I stop sanding and I add in the plant that I want to add, and my planter is ready. So there you go. You don't need a mold to make a planter. Do try this out and let me know how it turned out. In case of any queries, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, keep crafting and spreading smiles. Bye!